Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to select all photos in Google Photos. So firstly I will show you how to do this on the phone and then on PC. On your phone you need to open Google Photos application, then click at the three dots at the right top and set layout to months, not to days. By default you have days. Click at the three dots again and also click at the stack similar photos. And now we also have, as you can see, stacks with the similar photos. Now you need to select by months and you need to select all these months. This one is the only way on the phone. On the phone we cannot select all of them with one button or one click. So we need to do this. And you just select them. Okay, so let's say I select all of them. And that's it. For the phone, now let's move to PC. You need to open your browser and write Google Photos. Or maybe you need to open the app if you have the application. I just haven't it. So, firstly, make sure that you use your correct account. Just swipe on another one or add another account. Now select the first photo, then hold the shift and just scroll down. Okay, now can we... Okay, let's do this again. You need to check with the shift is it select these photos, because as you saw, sometimes you don't want to select it. So I prefer to check it. Okay. And we almost select them. So, as I said, hold the shift and select the latest photo. And now we select all these photos what we have in the main photos feed, because maybe you have some photos in the archive or in locked folder, so you cannot select them here in the photos feed. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.